What's going on, guys? So today we're taking the Subaru. I gutted the downpipe out. The little smoke you see is the turbo seals. It's confirmed that the turbo is shot, but I was just driver, for now until I can afford maybe a FV48. The STI turbo is a little bit bigger. We can get it tuned and whatever. Might as well, if I'm going to buy a turbo, buy the next upgrade. And then that's the guts of the downpipe. Took it out last night, welded it, re-welded it. Everything came out good, but we're going to take a video, see how she sounds. Let's get it. She sounds good overall.